Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phalak and in today's video we are going to do home manicure because I am not feeling well and I don't feel like stepping out of home um, and passing on my illness to somebody else. So that is why I've decided to do manicure this time at home, and I thought of sharing this vlog with you guys so you all can also try. So to begin with, I have all the setup with me. I am just going to explore all the products and then I'm going to tell you the step-by-step procedure, like how I do my manicure. So stay tuned, like my video, and let's begin. So in the video, I am also going to tell you the secret. So this toffee I am going to use onto my hands for the manicure thing, and that is going to be a secret which you and me are not going to tell to anybody. So watch the complete video to know the secret about this toffee. So first of all, we are going to use this. So I am going to clean my nails first of all. Cleaning is like we clean the face before we apply the moisturizer. That's the same thing that we do here with the nails. We clean them before we apply anything onto them. So that's the first step. So now the second step is to remove the, if you have the length is little on a higher side, then you just need to use the nail clipper to clip the excessive nails that you have. But in my case, I feel this is the ideal length that it should be, so I will just remove this side. So I'll just do this, the side cutting. Okay, so let's say I begin with this nail. I'll just cut the edges little in a slant manner, so that, so okay, let me show you this one. Okay, so if you can see the difference between the nails, so you just need to cut the edges in a slant. All the products that I'll be using, I'll be sharing the link in the description. If you also want to buy some, you may go ahead. So I'm done with trimming the edges of my nails. Now the next step is to do the nail filing. I have two filers with me. So this is the soft one and this is little this is the hard one. So I'll be using, you don't have to rub it like in back and forth manner. That is the wrong thing that we do. So you just have to take one direction and you just have to do it in one direction. That's the right way to do it. So I've seen many girls doing it like this is wrong. Earlier I also used to do this, but it's wrong. So you just have to do it in one direction, okay, like I am doing it now. I think this looks gorgeous. Yeah, I like this. Similarly, you will have to do it for all your other nails. You want to have a look? It looks so much better than what it was before. So the shaping of nails is really important. So for the edges, it takes a little bit of your time, but if you're not feeling well, then there is nothing else that you can do except these kind of things. This is called self-pampering, or you can say a way to tell your mind that you are fine and you're taking care of yourself, not just by eating good, by doing other things also. So you make yourself feel better by doing these kind of things, I guess so, because on the other days when you are fine, you have other things to do, so you actually don't get time to do these things. I do not get time, So that is why I am taking the advantage of getting unwell. So that's called a blessing in disguise. I always do that. So I try to find happiness in all the small things that I can. And I would tell you guys to do the same. I'm also a human being. I also get sometimes like really messed up with things, but then there needs to be a way. So this is my defense mechanism. You need to find yours. Not the manicure, but things like this. Like I painted a canvas before this, and have you seen my canvas वाली video painting vlog? So I've done मैंने जो first drawing की थी, it's already there. I'll attach the link somewhere here. For the other, for the second canvas that I've painted, I will just put it the picture on Instagram. This is my Instagram page. You can check it out here. Okay. So now the next step is to dip your hand in warm water, and in the water you should add body foam or shower gel. You can add some amount of shower gel in it, and then you just need to dip it. So guys, this is warm water, and I'm just adding this shower gel that I have. ये Adidas की है, आप कोई भी ले सकते हो इसमें. Okay, just 2 or 3 drops of it, like that would be fine. मेरे पास 2 ऑप्शन है, या तो मैं इसको वीडियो को बंद कर देती हूँ, या फिर मैं आपसे बातें कर लेती हूँ. बातें ये कर लेते हैं, चलो ज़्यादा नहीं करते, थोड़ा सा ही कर लेते हैं. दैट आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताना कि आप जब बीमार होते हो, सब बीमार होते हैं, सो व्हाट इज़ योर डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म. लाइक आई अर्लियर मेंशन्ड, defense mechanism, when I say, I mean that what are the things that you do to tell your mind and your body that it's okay to be unwell and you will be fine. Just do things that you like. So what are those things that you do to recover or to distract your mind? So for me, what I do is I do some artistic things, some self help things, like I read books or I do these kind of stuff, or maybe I watch some YouTube videos, or I write, and I draw, I sing. So these are the things that I do. So आप कमेंट करके बताना आप क्या करते हो, ठीक है. अच्छा, मैं आपको गाना सुना देती हूँ, ठीक है. मैं सुनाती हूँ. मेरा गला ख़राब है, बट आई स्टिल ट्राई टू एंटरटेन यू गाइज विद माई सॉन्ग, बिकॉज अदरवाइज ऑल्सो वीडियो बंद भी कर दूँगी, तो मैंने गाना ही गाना है, तो रिकॉर्ड ही कर लेती हूँ, है ना. ओके, मैं सुनाती हूँ. बन के माला प्रेम की तेरे तन पे झर झर जाऊं, है तू नैया प्रीत की, संसार से तर जाऊं मैं, तेरे प्यार में खो जाऊं. Okay, so I think this is enough. So I will just clean my hands now. And the next step I am going to do is I'm going to take the nail cutter and use this thing that we have with the nail cutter and just drag it a little on the back side. So I'm just going to clean whatever I can with this, the edges, the cuticles. I am going to clean all of them. The main purpose is to remove all the dirt which gets collected on these cuticles. That's the main purpose. And so the next step is just to moisturize it. For that I'm going to use this cream. This is a hair and a nail cream. I'm going to put it on my cuticles and also on my hands. Just massage it a little bit. So the next thing is that you have to apply a nail paint onto them. So if I start applying it directly onto the cream that I've applied, the nail paint is not going to stick much onto this greasy layer that I've already created. So I first need to remove the greasy layer if I want to apply the nail paint, and if not, I can keep it just like that. But for now, I will be applying it. So for that, we have this toffee and the secret. So what this toffee is, basically this is a facial mask. I got it from Miniso, but I use it sometimes as a tissue. What you have to do is, it's a toffee and you just have to put it in the water for just a second, and it soaks all the water, and then you can simply open it and you can use it as a tissue. So basically it's a face mask that I am going to use it onto my nails, just to clean the greasy layer that I have created with the hand cream. So that was the secret, guys. Finally, we have these two nail paints. So one is from Ola Candy. This is a transparent one, and this is Orly, and this is the peach kind of skin kind of color. So the first thing that you need to do is, first you need to apply this, then the second coat should be the color that you want, and third again this. So this should be the method. So once you apply the transparent color, oh, transparent is not a color, guys, I'm so sorry. So once you apply the transparent coat, you can decide whether you want to go for a color on top of that or not. So it's very easy to apply. See, and this is my favorite brand of a nail paint because I just love this brand. It is so smooth to the nails, it keeps them like safe, and it doesn't harm your nails. It's again very easy to apply, and this nail paint was gifted to me by my aunt, and she bought it from America, and I don't know if you get it here or not. You can Google it, guys. The name and the color is here. Done. So I have applied the second coat now. Wow, just look at this. So pretty. And आपने starting में देखा था ना video के मेरे nails, and now check out my nails. So my problem is, before I let it cool, I keep on using my nails so much that I have to reapply it again and again. That's the problem. I need to be punished for this. I think so. So now I would recommend that you can go for one more coating of your nail paint with the transparent one again, so as to keep your nail paint intact. And for now, I am just going to take some rest now. I am really tired. So guys, here you see my nails, and they're so much better